Hey Tube, welcome back. Problem number 203, remove linked list elements. So basically in this problem, you are given the head of a singly linked list and an integer called value or called val, this one. And your task is to remove all nodes from the list whose value is equal to val and return the new head of the list. So if we take this an example, the val here is 6, so we need to remove all the values that which are equals to 6 and we return the list. It's a pretty simple problem to understand. Let's see how we will implement this one. So the approach might use like a dummy node. Like why we are going to use a dummy node? Like a dummy node will help handle edge cases cleanly. For example, when the head node itself needs to be removed, for example. So the dummy node will help us on that. So the solving of this problem will come through 5 steps. The first, number one, let's just make it like that. So number one, we will create a dummy node. And that points to the head of the list. This is number one. Number two, we will create a pointer. Use a pointer, and we maybe call it current. And this one is to traverse the list. And number three, we will try first if the current dot next dot value equals the value, we will skip that node. Skip that node. And or otherwise, if that wasn't the case, we move on. And in the end, we return the dummy.next. And that's it. Okay, so we have these 5 steps to solve the problem. Let's start with them. Okay, first we will create the dummy node. So let dummy equals a new list node. And if you don't know what list node is, you can read this function. We have list node, we create an instance of this list node. Okay. We have here dummy dot next equals head. Okay. And let current equals dummy. Okay. So we will put dummy before the head, because if we needed to create to remove the head, we can remove it. So we create dummy to handle all these edge cases. And here dummy next will be the head, and the current will point at the header. And after that we will create a while loop. Okay. Is there a way to make it like? So we create a while loop while current dot next doesn't equal null, like while we have something to iterate. So I would say if the current dot next dot val equals val, so that means we will skip it. How we will do this? Current dot next will equals current dot next dot next. And yeah, that's it. By this way, we just skip it. Let's go down. Else, we will continue looping. So current will equals current dot next. And at the end, we will return dummy dot next. So if we submit, wrong answer. Why wrong answer? Let's run first and see if it worked or not. It didn't work. Why? Let's see again. So we have here node equal. Oh, I should add list node 0 here. Sorry. Still a new list node 0. We have dummy dot next will equals the head, and that current equals dummy, while current dot next doesn't equal null. If current dot next dot val equals, yeah, exactly. Okay, so how does this work? I guess we need to go through a visual example so we can understand it. So let's go here. So let's say that we have this head and this value as example. Okay, we have the head x6162 and the value is 6. So this is our linked list. So first we start here by saying dummy, and we put dummy before the head. So dummy be before 6, and we will have like 1, and we will have like 6 again, and 2. Okay, and the current we will point at 6. The current will point at this one, and no, in the beginning current will be dummy, and we'll see current the next actually equals value. So current it will equals the current the next will equals the next, which is 1, and we continue looping again, and we will find that again we have 6. So current the next, so we will end the list will be 1 1 2 2, and that's it. So yeah, this is how it works. I guess it's a pretty simple problem to describe and understand. If you think that yeah, if you don't understand the solution, just give me a comment in the section below. Maybe I will create a new video, something like that. So thanks for watching this video, and see you in future problems.